We have one final trader to get to. It's Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot. Hello to you, Joel. It's your turn to reveal your best trade and worst trade of the year. What do you have for us?
Angie, great question. I'm one of those traders where I really try to let go of the good ones and really try to have instantaneous amnesia about the bad ones as well. One particularly, though, was a firm. That's one of the ones that really kind of was a thorn in my side this year. I saw that one really move around early on in the year. I think there was a lot of optimism about the whole buy now, pay later program that a firm offers. I saw this stock really go, I think, probably up to about roughly $70 or so sometime in the year. I thought that I was being very optimistic that I was going to be able to go along with some of that breakout momentum. I had caught chasing the trade a little bit, unfortunately. It happens sometimes. So that's one of my worst trades. My best, though, was this year was I was following Meta. I think that this is one that I saw really have a pretty impressive trading range in both directions, to the upside and to the downside. On some of the news, they had a lot of conversations about really investing into the metaverse. We heard that this year. There was a lot of optimism there. And then we also saw a lot of pushback from that from investors and from the Wall Street, that maybe that was a little too optimistic there. It was spoken too soon. And then they needed to kind of do some C-suite shifts and then do some redirection there. So Meta was one of my best and Affirm was one of my worst.
What would be a good trading lesson that you can share with us?
Well, particularly for me being an options trader, it doesn't really matter to me really if a stock is trending upward or downward most days. I'm more so looking at how the options are priced, and I'm very interested in also seeing what volatility looks like. If I feel like there's a mispricing of the options, or if I feel like there's opportunity there for me to risk $1 to possibly make that plus some, then that's what's really most important to me, not necessarily the stock direction for me.
It's so true. You know, as a pro trader, you can make money whether the stock market is up or down or doing nothing. And the same goes for a stock, just by managing your risk.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. That's first always.
Thank you, Joel, for all of your trader talks.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.